Which one will you pick?
Caitlin, this one. This one.
No problem for people will pick.
Walang problema.
For people will pick.
Which one start here?
I will Caitlin start then
The girl?
apat daw.
The girl?
Ano yan ba? Ay, yung salad.
Caitlin, you start to pick the way, mama and plus.
Apat?
Yeah, sabi niya apat eh. Apat daw. Pick good one. Caitlin, pick one. Then, yay! Apat daw. One more. One more.
Yay!
One more.
Maybe this one, sir.
Good luck!
Ano?
Dapat
Good
ako
luck.
bumunot eh.
Ano, nabunod?
Thank you. Dali ko na lang sir yung
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Ang saya niyo.